Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a habit tracker in Google Sheets. So first things first, you just have to go to your Google Sheet right here. You can add like habit, week 1, week 2, and then the number of habits right here. In Google Sheet, you can also adjust the cells and columns. Everything is up to you. So basically, I just have to add 7 habits right here. I'm going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I'm going to adjust the column and also the cells here in Google Sheet. You can add habit tracker and you can also add more if you wanted to. Now here's the thing. What we're going to do here is we're going to insert a checklist or checkbox so that you can monitor if you have finished this habit or not. So it's like you want to know if you have already finished or if you are done with this habit. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. I also added here a count. So for example, here what we're going to do is we're going to add the count if, like if you're done with this weekly habit, if you're done, then all you have to do is to drag this one right here and you will see the total amount of what you have finished. So for example, I'm going to add here equals count if and then drag the finished habit. And then after that, press enter. So basically that's it. Like count if this counts all checkbox or checkboxes in that row. You can also calculate percentage completion. Everything is up to you. Okay, and then after that, all you have to do is to press enter. Then you will see the result. And you can add a more habit if you want, or habit tracker if you wanted to. And that's so easy. That's how easy it is to create a habit tracker in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.